I have HUAWEI P20 Lite and let me show you how to check the IMEI and serial number on the following device. Let me show you all methods of getting access to this information. At the very beginning, let's start by using the simplest way, so by using the secret code. Let's open the phone's dialer and here you need to use the following secret code. *#06#, and as you may notice, the IMEI number and serial number just pops up. As you can see, in that device you've got two IMEI numbers because you can use two SIM cards. Alright, let's tap OK to close this window. Now let me show you how to check out this information by using settings. So let's find the settings icon, scroll down to the bottom of the list and simply choose system. So from the following menu you need to find and select about phone, and right here you have to scroll down and now you can use and read the IMEI number. You may also scroll down again and choose status, and here you've got the information about your serial number and also other stuff such as the IP address, Wi-Fi MAC address and lots of more information. What's also really interesting, you can check out your IMEI number by using your slot. Let me show you. So let's open the tray by using some kind of the eject tool. Alright, let's press it, and here you've got one IMEI number right here. It's written right here with really small numbers. So that's it. Let me close the tray and now you can use your device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.